Hey guys, this is Lisa with Great Ideas Design Style, coming to you with my first video for 2025. Happy New Year to everyone. I know you guys haven't seen me for a while. I had to get through some things for the year of 2024, but I'm happy to be back. And on today, I'm going to share with you some spring decor ideas, also some ideas that will enhance your home. But before we do that, you know what I'm going to say. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Please hit your notification bell button so anytime I put out a video, you will be notified. And before we get started, I have a word of inspiration. It's on my t-shirt. Now, my t-shirt says, "Fall for Jesus, he never leaves." Fall for Jesus, he never leaves. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Your mother and father, sister and brother, auntie or uncle may leave you, may forsake you, but if you fall for Jesus, he will never leave you. Now, with that being said, let's get into this brand new inspiring video. Okay guys, getting started in my laundry room. I wanted to share with you how I purchased some wooden decals. And of course, my husband spray painted them gold. And I wanted to add some decor to my cabinets. I just felt like the cabinets were too bare or too blank. They weren't really saying anything. But I wanted to give you an idea of what you could do with if you have like cabinets that you feel that needs more or that you would like to just give them more inspiration. You purchase like wooden decals, and I purchased these wooden decals on Amazon. And as you can see, they're really nice. And so therefore, it makes the cabinets, give them some decor. And make them stand out even more. Now in my family room, the only thing that I've changed for the spring here is I added some orange flowers. Because as I stated in my last video, when I filmed some changes in my family room, I wanted to bring more of the orange decor into this room. And the orange really stands out. Of course, I love my family room. Like I said, it may be fall colors in the summer and the spring, but this family room speaks volumes. So I just added more of the orange flowers into the room, just to brighten the room up a little bit more. And I love it. Now I've made quite a few changes on my kitchen table. As you can see, I purchased some silk hunter green napkins, and I made them into roses, like a rose. I added the napkin ring holder, which is pearl, and put it at the bottom just to enhance the rose and make the rose pop even more. Then I added my gold plates, as you can see. So before, I had like the lemon theme with black and white harlequin theme going on, but I decided to change it for the spring and the summer. These glasses were originally black. They're actually black. They were black champagne glasses. Now they're gold because they've been spray painted. And the lettering on the table was black and white. And I had those sprayed like a soft beige and a brown. And I added the rhinestone on the lettering. So here is my table setting. I love it. I love the green. I love the green setting. And I also have these little topiary trees, and they are place card holders. But they coincide along with the green napkins that are on the plate. So this is my spring, and it will be my summer look. I think this hunter green color is a beautiful color for spring and summer. Now the other changes I've made in here is that I had my husband to re-upholstery the kitchen cornices. If you look at my other videos, they were a different color. But these are the cornices. And they're a nice textured color. I'm trying to see if I close the blind, if you guys can get a better look at what the cornice looks like. Close one blind. That's what it looks like. And it's beautiful. Now it ties into my whole kitchen. It brings the kitchen together, along with the chairs that I showed you last time. It's the same material. So we decided to take it up from the chairs onto the window. And it just really ties this kitchen together. Everything looks good in this kitchen. It's balanced. It's not too much of anything. And that's the way I love to decorate. I love to balance my colors. Now the only other thing that I changed in this room is my hat box. It was originally a different color. And I changed it to gold. And I added the pearls and all the embellishments on the hat, on the front of the hat, as you can see. And there is the back of the hat. But I changed it to go with the design of the kitchen. And it came out beautiful. Okay guys, now we're in my master bedroom, as you can see, and I wanted to show you this. I decided to make a floral box and put it on my bench, as you can see. I wanted to do something different because normally you will see a throw on a bench or pillows on a bench. I decided to put a floral box on my bench. It looks beautiful. So this is the box that I made. Or that I created. And let me pick the box up. As you can see, there's pearls all the way around the box. I came up with my own design. And I also added some succulents and a butterfly and a little bit of bling. And it is so beautiful. So just to do something different and to give you guys an idea of what you can do different if you want to make your room a little bit more inspirational or make you feel like, you know, however way you like to feel. Because to me, this inspires me and it makes me feel good when I walk upstairs and see a box full of roses. And I made it myself. And I really like the look that it gives on a bench, which is beautiful. I also made another floral to match that box that's on the bench. And it's on my dresser behind my self-made perfume bottles that I also created. And let me show you more of this. So let me bring this down. Here is that one that I created as well. And I just simply put the same thing with the pearls, self-adhesive pearls and the ribbon, and kind of just imitated the same thing that's on this box. Not exactly, but as you can see, it has the succulent. It has the brown rose in the back. And it also has the pearls that are going all the way around. I've gotten into making a lot of floral arrangements. I'm going to have to make one, a DIY, to show you guys how I come up with my own arrangements and how I like for things to look. So get inspired with your spring decor. Okay, last but not least, I wanted to show you guys what my husband and I did to our attic space opening. My husband painted the sheetrock to match the decor of our bathroom, and he placed handles on the side, because every time we would have some type of service on our furnace or something, the guys would always mess up the sheetrock. It always get dirty. So we decided, why don't we just paint it a solid color and put handles on it, so when they go to push it up, they can use the handles instead of touching on the sheetrock. So if you would like to have a great idea, which this is a great idea for your attic space, you can tie it into your bathroom decor or wherever your attic space may be located within your home. Tie it into your decor. And that's what we decided to do. This is our master bathroom. And we decided to tie that space into our decor. So before I go, I'd like to give a shout out to my wonderful manicurist. Her name is Debbie. She gave me some beautiful Valentine's Day nails. And I love them. I put a little charm on it. It's a bow, like a little silver bow. And she keep your girl hooked up. So shout out to you, Debbie. I hope you all have a wonderful day and look forward to my next video. Stay blessed.